Hey there, word wizards. Ready for some fun with pronunciation today? We have two amazing words in store for you. Let's start with the first word. This word is pronounced as imbue. Imbue. This word means to fill or soak something with a particular quality or feeling. Imagine taking a white cloth and soaking it in a colorful dye. The cloth will become imbued with the color and it will never be the same again. Another example would be you're baking a cake and you want to give it a special flavor. You add vanilla extract to the batter and suddenly the cake is imbued with that sweet, yummy aroma. That's what imbue means. It's like giving something a special touch. Here is a sentence example. A group of single-minded athletes are being imbued with a sense of teamwork. Next, we have this word which is pronounced as fiduciary. Fiduciary. Imagine you have a big, important decision to make and you need someone you trust to help you. That's where a fiduciary comes in. A fiduciary is someone who has a legal duty to act in your best interest. Just like a superhero's sidekick always has the hero's back, a fiduciary will look out for you and make sure you're making the best choice. Here is a sentence example. They have a case against their directors for breach of fiduciary duty. So, there you have it. The next time you hear someone talk about imbuing something, think about giving it a special touch, like a magical ingredient in your cake. And if you hear someone talk about a fiduciary, think about having a trusty advisor who will always be there for you. That's all for this video, folks. Don't forget to have fun with words and share the knowledge with your friends. Keep practicing your pronunciation and stay awesome. Thanks for watching.